are we going?
We're doing about 17 right now. Well, only regulated for 20. Hold on, it's going to get dark. All right. Where'd it go? What it got? About 10 miles or so?
I think it's 5 miles that they can run on. They used to have 4 tracks.
What do they got? They got like a loop on each end?
Yeah.
They've got one of those K27s up there, don't they? And a little, and the no white fast Yukon.
I think it's not white fast. Valley or something.
Oh, what is it? A 460 or 260?
I think it's a 260. Maybe, I don't remember.
Yeah, I'll come up there, bud.
Okay. Lined up. Go for it.
Does he want me to cut us off?
They gonna do it.
Okay.
Try to let them do it so we don't have to.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're pulling into our station here in East Chattanooga. Can't wait till we come to a complete stop, and we'll have the vestibule open for everyone who wants to walk down to our turntable. Again, please take your time. You've got plenty of time this morning. And I'll see you in just a moment. Thank you so much for riding with us here at Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum. Much more to talk about later this morning. Thank you.
not far now, Nathan. Yeah.
They wanted to see if he's going to stick around or not. That guy.
Oh, see him stick around.
Isn't that right?
That's right.
Right on turntable with us, and then we'll let you off at the crossing over here.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna get me a burger just next right quick.
I might toss that burrito off to George or Zach or
Well,
them.
toss one of them, and I'll eat the other one later this evening.
Okay.
Hey, you can leave it up. It ain't gonna hurt to leave it up there.
So how much coal does it usually go through just
About
running
5
this one?
tons a day,
5 tons a day? Wow.
give or take. It all depends on how you're working the engine. Uses between 4 to 5 tons of coal a day and about 5,000 gallons of water.
Wow.
Hey, that works. Melissa holding the truck. Melissa holding the truck. Yeah. Oh, okay.
So what are you doing there?
Put water in it.
Really?
Yeah.
You got the fire.
Oh, I see that. Doesn't it?
They're over here hollering at you.
Oh, I see them now. Couldn't hardly hear them. Hi. I'm going to be down there in a minute. Yep.
It used to not be.
We've appreciated it and enjoyed it ever since. Ladies and gentlemen, 6:30. Very built. 1904. By the American Locomotive Company and its Richmond works with the 280. 280 is the KS1 consolidated class. Let's talk about the 280. Anytime you read about or use the description of a steam locomotive like the 630, you're going to see different numbers preceding that name. It could be 280. In the case of the 630, it could be 240, 216, any of those numbers, and all of those numbers represent the wheel sets. And the way those wheel sets are configured on a locomotive. The 630, the 280, so those two small wheels, the set of two small wheels, the small wheels behind us, four large driving wheels, and the four wheels and the wheels on the side of the wheels, and then two wheels to that. You'll turn off running the locomotive. And finally, the locomotive you are right now, I think that's still, we're still up to a really job and how many wheels has a little on it. I guess you could say today, it's inspired. We're going to go ahead and locomotive. It's not, because it's special. And the one guy is doing the research to compare it with a 5 by 7 and heading down the other side. And the last thing I think
Why? But we'll see.
Got the engine running, we're going to pull up now. This way down to the other end of the run. Ladies and gentlemen. The back crew will report at this time.
Hey, we're going to have to take Floyd's chair away down there. He's just relaxing every time he comes in.
I know. He's getting lazy.
I'm getting the marker this trip.
Okay. Did you get your ticket from Shannon?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a little hungry.
I'm starving.
I'm going to try and grab a marker right here. We're going to make a drop off at the coffee for him.
Okay. You want to get off on John's side or
Yeah, we'll let him off on John's side.
All right. Now, what's your name again?
John, still here.
John. Okay. What was your name again?
And I'm Brian.
Brian. All right. Awesome. Thank y'all so much.
Good action, buddy.
Oh, yeah. Alright, guys, let's walk this way. What's that? It's just